Hello, I'm Brian. I'm the store manager here at the Concord store for Carpet to Go. I'm going to take you through a mini tour of what we do here. We've been around 30 years and we know what we're doing. We have a full selection of engineered hardwood. We have a full line of topically waterproof laminate, scratch resistant, and so durable. We also carry a full line of Cortex, Shaw, Mohawk, and engineered floors LVP that we can special order for you. You have hundreds of styles to choose from. Our carpet room is second to none. We have a full line of Shaw products, nylon, Pet Perfect products. We have a full line of Dreamweaver carpets that are solution dyed. We have a large stocking program here at Carpet to Go. Carpet, hard surface, for those quick service needs that you have, we can offer quick installation as well. And for your commercial needs, we do carry a full line of commercial carpet as well as hard surface. So come see me or Colin here at the store, or you can make an appointment online for a free in-home consultation. We have a huge variety of products that we can help you with at a fair price, and we know what we're doing. We've been doing it for 30 years.